Welcome back to Gearstorm. Today we're diving into something that sounds almost unreal, the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome. Yes, Ferrari, the brand known for building some of the fastest and most exotic supercars in the world, has stepped into the luxury motorhome scene. And just like their cars, this isn't your ordinary RV, it's a fusion of Italian design, racing DNA, and unmatched luxury that brings a whole new meaning to traveling in style. Let's break it all down. From the front to the sides, the interior, bedroom, kitchen, lounge area, performance, and of course, the price. The front of the Ferrari Motorhome looks like no RV you've ever seen. Sculpted lines inspired by Ferrari's supercars dominate the design, with razor-sharp LED headlights and an aerodynamic nose that almost makes it look like a road-going hypercar stretched into a motorhome. The massive Ferrari badge sits proudly on the grille, while carbon fiber accents and sleek intakes give the front end both beauty and purpose. Even standing still, it looks fast. From the exterior side view, the motorhome is long and sleek, designed to slice through the air rather than drag against it. The sides feature flush retractable steps, tinted panoramic windows, and lightweight carbon fiber panels to keep the overall weight down. Massive alloy wheels with Ferrari's signature styling complete the profile, reminding you that even in motorhome form, this is still a Ferrari. Step inside, and the interior is nothing short of breathtaking. The lounge area greets you with handcrafted Italian leather seating, sculpted sofas, and carbon fiber trim that blends elegance with Ferrari's racing DNA. Ambient LED lighting sets the mood, while a state-of-the-art sound system and large OLED display transform the lounge into a mobile theater. The design is minimal yet luxurious, staying true to Ferrari's blend of performance and refinement. The bedroom is a sanctuary on wheels, featuring a king-size bed with the Ferrari logo subtly stitched into the fabrics. Premium materials, mood lighting, and a skylight give it a luxurious, serene feel. Storage is intelligently hidden, and the climate control ensures comfort in any weather. The washroom continues the same level of sophistication with a rainfall shower, elegant fixtures, and marble-inspired finishes. The kitchen area is sleek and modern, fitted with premium appliances. Stainless steel and carbon accents are everywhere, with induction cooktops, a wine cooler, and even a built-in espresso machine to make the Italian touch complete. Every detail is designed to make travel feel effortless while keeping that Ferrari flair intact. Performance is where this Ferrari motorhome separates itself from everything else. Powered by a hybrid V12 system producing over 1,000 horsepower, this massive machine can accelerate with shocking ease for its size. Adaptive suspension keeps the ride smooth, while advanced aerodynamics ensure stability at higher speeds. It may be a motorhome, but Ferrari makes sure it drives like nothing else on the road. As for price, exclusivity comes at a cost. The 2026 Ferrari Motorhome starts at around $5 million, and with customizations, it can easily go higher. But this isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement of luxury, performance, and Italian craftsmanship unlike anything else. That wraps up our review of the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome. If you enjoyed this look at Ferrari's bold leap into the luxury RV world, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Gearstorm, and ring the bell so you never miss more reviews of the world's most exciting machines. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.